Did you know that if you want to take full advantage of the Instagram platform, that you should be including at least 25 hashtags in every single one of your posts? But how do you find 25 hashtags that are relevant to your content? And even if you do find 25 hashtags, how do you know that they're even popular? Well, on this episode of 2 Minute Tip Tuesday, I'm going to show you a free tool that you can use to find popular hashtags that are relevant to your content. Alright guys, so no additional intro on today's episode. Let's put 2 minutes on the clock and let's jump right into it. Alright, so if you're regularly posting content to Instagram, you should always try to include at least 25 hashtags into each and every single one of your Instagram posts. And quite simply, the power behind hashtags on Instagram is that it allows your content to be discovered by more people. So for example, if you have a new property listing that you're looking to market and you create an Instagram post and you include the hashtag homes for sale, that post can be easily discovered by people in your local area who are following that hashtag. And many of these people could be potential home buyers who are using Instagram to find their new home. Now, as somebody who posts Instagram regularly and is challenged with finding hashtags, I know how difficult and frustrating and time consuming it can be to come up with 25 different hashtags. And even if you do come up with 25 different hashtags, you're not entirely certain that they are popular hashtags that people are actually following on Instagram. But that's where free tools like displaypurposes.com comes in extremely handy. Displaypurposes.com is a free Instagram hashtag tool that allows you to find popular hashtags that are relevant to your content. So if you go to displaypurposes.com, you can go to the search bar at the top and you can enter in a hashtag that you know is relevant to your content. So if I enter in homes for sale, displaypurposes.com will give me a list of hashtags that are relevant to my original hashtag. And if I scroll down a little bit further, I can see that list of hashtags with even a popularity and a relevance score right next to it. And if I scroll down a little bit further, I can see the stats behind these hashtags. So now I can see other related hashtags to homes for sale. I can see similar hashtags. I can see the demographics behind each hashtag and the languages as well as the gender associated with the hashtag. So there you are, that is displaypurposes.com, a free Instagram hashtag tool. I really encourage you guys to use this to build up some extremely powerful Instagram hashtag lists to help your content get discovered by more people on Instagram. I hope that you guys found this 2 Minute Tip Tuesday helpful. If you did, make sure that you give it a like and make sure that you subscribe to the Homes for Heroes YouTube channel and make sure you hit that notification bell. That way you'll get notified every time we publish a new episode of 2 Minute Tip Tuesday or any of the other great content coming out of the Homes for Heroes YouTube channel. As always, thank you guys so much for tuning in and I look forward to seeing you guys again real soon.